You understand English, but when you try to speak, your heart beats fast, your mind goes blank, and no words come out.
Why does this happen? Today, you will discover the real reason you can't feel confident to speak English and what to do about it.
Hello, my friend. Welcome back to our English speaking podcast.
We are so happy you are here. This is a safe place to learn and speak.
If you understand English but feel shy to speak, this episode is for you.
Stay with us till the end. You will feel braver and more ready to speak.
Let's be honest. You know many words. You know some grammar.
But when it's time to speak, confidence disappears.
You think, what if I make a mistake?
Or, people will laugh at me.
So you stay quiet.
But here's the truth. The real problem is not your English.
The real problem is what is happening in your mind.
Quick question. Answer in your head.
When you speak English, do you try to be perfect?
Yes or no?
The real reason you can't feel confident is fear.
Fear of mistakes, fear of sounding stupid, fear of being judged.
Your brain thinks speaking English is dangerous.
So it protects you by stopping you.
That's why your mind goes blank.
Not because you don't know English.
But because fear blocks your words.
Surprising fact. Even native speakers feel nervous when they speak in public.
Confidence is not magic. It is practice with fear.
Say this with me.
Mistakes help me learn.
Again.
Mistakes help me learn.
Another big problem is thinking too much.
You think about grammar.
You think about tenses.
You think about the right word.
And while you think, the moment is gone.
Speaking is not a test.
Speaking is a skill like riding a bike.
If you think too much, you fall.
Mini quiz.
What is more important?
Perfect grammar or a clear message?
The answer is a clear message.
People want to understand you, not check your grammar.
Fast challenge.
Describe your day in one short sentence.
Say it out loud now.
Great, you just spoke English.
Let's be honest again. Many learners only listen and read.
But they don't speak, or they speak only in their head.
That does not build confidence.
Confidence grows when you use your voice.
In a safe place.
Where mistakes are okay.
Like here, with us.
Repeat after me.
I can speak. I am learning.
Again.
I can speak. I am learning.
Let me tell you a short story.
About a learner named Sarah.
Sarah understood English well.
But she never spoke in class.
One day her teacher said, just try one sentence.
Sarah said, I like learn English.
It was not perfect.
But the teacher smiled and said, good job.
That smile changed everything.
Sarah spoke again and again.
Today, she is confident.
Not because she is perfect,
but because she is brave.
Let's do a role play.
You speak with host A.
Hello, how are you today?
Your turn. Answer out loud.
Nice, that was great.
Now listen.
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Simple, clear. You did it.
Confidence does not come from big speeches.
It comes from small wins.
One sentence today.
One sentence tomorrow.
Step by step.
Mini quiz.
Which is better?
Speak 1 hour once a month or 5 minutes every day.
The answer is 5 minutes every day.
Small daily practice wins.
Quick challenge.
Say 3 things you see around you.
For example, I see a table.
Go. Say them now.
Amazing.
What do you say to yourself?
Do you say, my English is bad?
Or, I can't speak?
Your words become your truth.
Let's change that.
Repeat after me.
My English is getting better every day.
Again.
My English is getting better every day.
Smile now. Yes, really.
Your brain feels safer when you smile.
Second role play.
You are the customer.
I am the worker.
Ready.
Hello, what would you like?
Your turn. Say one sentence.
Good.
Now listen.
I would like a coffee, please.
Perfect. Simple English is powerful.
Mini quiz. True or false?
You must feel confident before you speak.
The answer is false.
You speak first. Confidence comes after.
Last role play. This one is special.
You will make a mistake, and that is good.
Say, yesterday I go to market.
Your turn. Say it.
Great.
Now listen.
Yesterday I went to the market.
See? Mistake, fix, learn. No fear.
Let's recap.
The real reason you lack confidence is fear.
Not your English level.
Thinking too much blocks your voice.
Small daily practice builds confidence.
Kind self-talk changes your mind.
Speak first. Confidence follows.
My friend, you are not broken.
You are learning, and that is beautiful.
Every time you speak, you grow.
Even with mistakes.
From today, make a promise.
Speak one small sentence every day.
In the mirror, with a friend, with us.
You can do this.
If this helped you, please like this video.
Subscribe for more speaking practice.
And comment below.
Tell us, what makes you most afraid when you speak English?
In our next video, you will learn simple daily habits to speak English naturally.
Don't miss it.
Keep speaking, keep smiling.
See you next time.